we can use Solidworks without connect to the server or even offline. So what we need to do is to borrow license. There's a tool called license management. So go to search in search for anything and then type license without completing the typing. So you can see here Solid Network License Manager client. Click it. Click yes, and then you can see Solid Network License Manager. You can see the borrow license borrowing tab. Click it, and you can see there's lots of product here, right? So select all of them, and then set the date to return. Okay, and here, so we can borrow 30 days. I'm going to borrow this one until the end of the month, right? So click here. So May 30. Basically, you should be able to borrow for 30 days. That's what I saw. Okay, so this not being selected, right? So select again, and then borrow. Make sure you already connect to VPN to the network, internal network of financial college, right? So if you don't connect it, then you will not be able to see those information. It takes a while for us to get updated. Not responding. Okay, I get this message. Don't worry. Hit OK. You can see this one is not being borrowed, right? So borrow again. You can see this one being everything being borrowed, and the borrowed until May 31st. So hit OK. Now if you disconnect from the VPN, disconnect and run Solidworks, even without connect to, let me try this one, disconnect from internet. Okay, so try again. Okay, it tells you how many days the borrowed license will expire, right? So hit OK. So you want to borrow license again. Actually, if you want to borrow license, you need to return the license if the expiring date is not reached. Okay, right? So you will be able to run Solidworks properly without any problem. Of course, there are certain, you can see the information is could not get information from the server. So if you want to borrow this license again, then you need to because I disconnect from the internet, right? So I need to connect to internet. Okay. All right. Now, because I connect to a VPN, so I should be able to see those information. Okay, I'm going to return this. Okay, before expiring day, you can return it, connect to VPN, and you return it. Okay, and set up another date, right? So let me see, 30 days, or what's it today? 10th. So it will be June 8th. June 9th, I think, June 9th. June 9th. We have 31 days. Try again. Could not be borrowed. Okay, so okay, because today is also included, right? So that's why we can only borrow until June 8th. I'm going to change this one to June 8th and then borrow everything. Okay, sorry, it's missing. We need to borrow again. Now we get everything, and the expiry date will be June 8th. Okay, this is how we can set up license borrowing setting, so we can work offline. Okay, probably some modular, for example, it tells 29 days, right? So probably you may not be able to run certain functions, for example, simulation. But in our class, we shouldn't have any problem. Okay. In the future, if you want to run simulation, or if you want run, say, simulation like stress analysis, flow simulation, and so on, then you probably need to connect to VPN to get a license, because those licenses cannot be borrowed. Okay, thank you very much. Enjoy SolidWorks.